Welcome back, HARBROs, to the HARBRO channel. Quality videos, lowest prices. Today we have day number 2. Day number 2, including, just a reminder, Predator days. Just a reminder, day 1. If you find this useful or helpful, please consider liking and subscribing and hyping and checking out the merch store. And here we go. And yeah, definitely subscribe. We're at 25K. Let's just keep going. Let's keep this journey going with the HARBROs. Generator days, of course. We did this video a few days ago. 25% off. Wheel covers and kits today. Early access ITC 20% off for any generator. Not as big, not that many HARBRO fans of generators, but there's a few out there who are gonna make your purchase. So well on you waiting for this 20% off. And of course, 40% off of Icon 1/4 inch, 48 inch, 48 piece, and 3/8 inch 54 piece general service socket sets. We know that's going on. That's tomorrow, Friday, May 1st only. So good luck, HARBROs. And then deal of the day 2. Deal of the day 2, and we're 2 for 2. We called it for the Icon service set, and we called it at least for the Earthquake XT air impact wrench. But this is 2 deals, 2 great deals. 30% off all air impact wrenches, Earthquake XT, and 35% off all air hoses and air hose reels. The HARBROs love the hose, and we already know this. Deals coming 5/2, so that's going to be Saturday's deal of the day. So let's just go ahead and do a little bit of a deep dive on those. But these are the big deals. So if this is what you want, where you watched a minute and a half in, feel free to hang around and hang tight. But we have a Predator days, and we'll start off with the Earthquake XT air impact wrench. Now we know the percentage off, 30% off. So we've sorted from high to low. And this might be a little bit niche, but you have the Earthquake XT 1-inch D handle. It's a little disappointing. Composite air impact wrench. 8 inches is now extended anvil, twin hammer, 3,000 foot-pounds, $369.99. Compared to Snap-on, save $1,700. That's absolutely nuts. But $369, this 1-inch twin hammer professional impact wrench delivers up to 3,000 foot-pounds breakaway torque and features an 8-inch extended anvil for working on hard to reach places and heavy equipment. And at 30% off, to make sure we get the calculator out. It's a nice picture. It's a little bit pricey, $370, but 30% off is pretty great. Get it down to $259, $260, save $110. I mean, it's niche, but if you were in the market for it, this is the time to get your 1-inch D handle, 8-inch extended anvil, twin hammer down to $260. No reviews. Is this a brand new tool? This is a brand new tool. No reviews. Be the first HARBRO to review. We're about to check it. At least we'll check out the warranty information. 90-day warranty. Okay. That's okay. But that's $370. Get it down to $260. This is rare. Another brand new Earthquake XT 1-inch composite pistol grip air impact wrench twin hammer. 2,300 foot-pounds. $329.99. Doesn't have any compare to information. High power pneumatic impact wrench delivers 2,300 foot-pounds of bolt breakaway torque, yet is designed for enhanced control and maneuverability. This already does have 4 reviews, so we will check that out. All 5 stars. Great tool, great buy, light but powerful. Seems like a good product. I've only used it once. No pictures. 90-day warranty is the only rough bit about it. But at $329, we should have just said $330. Call it what it is. At 30% off, getting it down to $230, so saving basically a clean $100 off of this Earthquake XT 1-inch composite pistol grip air impact wrench. Excellent discount. And then we're going to ones that do have some reviews. The 3/4 inch composite air impact wrench twin hammer, 1,800 foot-pounds at $250. This is compared to Snap-on ultra powerful pneumatic impact wrench delivers 1,800 foot-pounds of bolt breakaway torque, 1,300 foot-pounds of fastening torque. That is fascinating. And then we'll just, since this is the first one, no pictures. I'm a little bit sad, no pictures, but 95%, 4.7 out of 5 stars, 95% recommend. Great impact, Earthquake 3/4 drive impact, great impact, removed flex plate bolts at $250 and at 30% off, getting it down to $175, saving even $75. And then this, of course, Earthquake XT 1/2-inch composite ultra torque air impact wrench twin hammer, 1,500 foot-pounds. It's on ITC, but of course, and actually we'll take this moment, be careful, HARBROs, it's already happening, because at $160, but at 30% off, get it down to $112, so save an extra $17, compared to ITC, and ITC is still going on technically through today, but just in general, as a reminder, check your receipts. Check your receipts because sometimes they'll give you the other deal. They'll give you the ITC deal and you'll be short on your savings. They have included the air hose reel, but we'll go over the air hose reels in just a second. Another brand new, no review, Earthquake XT half-inch composite air impact wrench, 2-inch extended anvil twin hammer, 1,200 foot-pounds at $150 compared to Snap-on. Again, save almost $600. Heavy-duty half-inch impact wrench delivers 1,200 foot-pounds of bolt breakaway torque and has a 2-inch extended anvil for extra reach into deep wheel wells. Excellent. And at $150, 30% off. Get it down to $105, save $45. So excellent choice. HARBROs, if you're into the pneumatic lines, let me know. Let me know what you're doing. Let me know if you're getting some Earthquake XT. And we'll just kind of peruse through the rest. I know I'm using that word wrong. We'll look through the rest. Earthquake XT and available in multiple colors here. Half-inch composite air impact wrench, twin hammer, 1,200 foot-pounds at $120. Get that down to $84. Decent deal here, but 30% is better. Earthquake XT half-inch super compact air impact wrench, twin hammer, 1,000 foot-pounds in green. And then we have the on clearance at $90. Earthquake XT half-inch right angle composite air impact wrench, jumbo hammer, 400 foot-pounds, roughly $30 off. Earthquake XT half-inch stubby air impact wrench, the 3/8 mini air ratchet, and they have another hose here. But now we'll go over to the hose. Enough of the impact wrenching promos. We'll go to the air hoses because this is a deal not just for the air impact wrenches, but for all air hoses and all air hose reels. So we've already sorted from high to low, and these are a bit more specific, so we won't go a deep dive into them, but we'll just check the first few for savings sake. We have the Earthquake XT 3/8 inch by 50 foot industrial grade air hose reel at $160 compared to Cox reels. Careful how you enunciate that. Save $300, $323, and at $160 you're actually going to save an extra. This is 35% off. So get it down to $104, saving almost $60 for the 35% off. So interesting option. We do have Merlin, which is an option. We have the Merlin 3/8 inch 50 foot premium retractable air hose reel at $100. Super smooth hose reel, comes with 50 feet of Merlin premium rubber hose. Look how they have it mounted there. And actually, we will look to see how the HARBROs are using a strong air reel. Mounted this inside the front wall of my garage between the rollers. Great for garage or carport. I installed this in my carport entrance so we can not only air up the vehicle tires, but also the mowers, four-wheelers, trailers. Love it. That's genius. So far, so good. I bought this and had to fabricate an offset bracket to hang it. Assembly pretty heavy. Well worth it in my opinion. So there you have it, HARBROs. Well used, I guess. $100, 35% off is going to be $35 off. So get that down to $65. And then just the rest of the options. 3/8 inch by 50 foot enclosed retractable air hose reel. Merlin's half-inch by 100 foot rubber air hose, not a reel. Merlin's 3/8 inch by 50 foot premium retractable air hose, PVC rubber hybrid hose, 1/4 inch MPT fittings at $90. Central pneumatic on clearance, 3/8 by 50 foot retractable hose reel. Couple Merlin options, 3/8 inch or half-inch, 100 foot or 50 foot. And the options keep going. One thing we didn't check. Here we go. Instant savings, Merlin. This is where the stacking comes in. And actually, we'll check the instant savings in just a second. Merlin, quarter inch by 100 foot polyurethane air hose, 1/4 inch MPT, $35, 22% off. 22% off is already excellent. You're already saving $10. And then we will do the extra math here because instant savings is where we live. $35 is the new price, the new lower price. We get that at 35% off. Get it down to $22.75. You might not need a hose, but at this deal, that's basically, I was gonna say more, it's just under, practically, it's 50% off. 50% off for the 1/4 inch by 100 foot polyurethane air hose, 1/4 inch MPT fittings, a durable and lightweight poly air hose designed for roofing, flooring, and interior work. And since it's instant savings and we're going to be able to stack, we will see what people are using it for. Coiling hose, decent, like all poly 1/4 inch hoses. What I don't like is the memory curl. Worked great installing roof, used with Pierce roofing nailer. Well done, HARBRO. I build great products for remodeling. Nice hose, good price. I need extra air hose and something that is flexible. Just started and doing. Let's lots of projects, good quality product would recommend to anybody. So there you have it. Instant savings on the Merlin air hose. This goes on through the 4th. So this is excellent time to stack. Hopefully, maybe it lines up with something you need. So we'll keep going. Earthquake XT 3/8 by 50 foot hybrid air hose. And then actually just different options of the Merlin air hoses, central pneumatic coil polyurethane hose. But we won't go through them all. That is day 2 of the deals of the day. 30% off all Earthquake XT air impact wrenches and 35% off all air hoses and air hose reels. Who's going tomorrow to get their 40% off their Icon general service socket set? And let me know what you think of deal of the day 2. Anybody picking up their Predator generator this weekend? And we'll just give ourselves a reminder that instant savings, to keep an eye out for instant savings as we go through the deals, 10 days of deals. Anyways, Harbros, I'll leave it at that. Let me know what you think. And as always, happy Harbor Freighting, happy shopping. Please consider liking and subscribing. And as soon as I have some more deals, I will send them your way.